Today we're going to try to clean our dishwasher with this Dishwasher Magic disinfectant for your dishwasher. So we just bought a new house, so we're going to disinfect our dishwasher that was in the house, and it should remove buildup and lime scale and rust. So you'll take the lid off, and then on the top there will be a little wax seal, and you'll want to put it either in your silverware rack if it's on the bottom, or somewhere that it won't tip over. Just make sure it's secure. And then you will close the dishwasher and put it on the hottest setting. So we're going to do heavy, high temp, sanitizer, and then we will push start. We have a Whirlpool dishwasher, but it should work the same. You just want it on a high temperature so that it will melt the wax seal and release the cleaner. Once the dishwasher is done running, you should open this and see that the wax ring is melted and that it's empty. You can then recycle this. You want to make sure that your dishwasher is completely empty when doing this. And you should have a cleaner and better smelling dishwasher. We'll link the product below. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you'll subscribe.